welcome everybody guys, I'm Ryan here, and today guys, I know that this is like, why do you have this here? This was one of your first videos that you've ever done. Well, and then you guys are probably wondering, why do I even do these things when there's instructions right inside of them? Well, I know there's some people out there who, like, don't listen, like to listen to instructions. They like to listen, like, by video. So, and plus, just in case you don't get the instructions. So, let's go ahead and cut this thing open. It's grubbin. So, we're going to be building grubbin today. I'll cut this thing open. Just like that. Oh, cut the wrong side down here. Just like that. And I'm going to tear off that part and rip that off. Take Pokeball out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I know that this isn't like opening up a Pokemon card pack this episode, but yeah, it's pretty much, this is going to be just pretty much on how to build this. So holy cow, we actually got through that plastic right there. Holy cow. Okay, so anyways, let's go and open up this thing. Okay, that didn't make as loud as the pop as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so anyways, I take it that this is going to be what we're going to be using first. So, let's go ahead and tear open this thing. Pour it out right here. Okay, so it's going to take you out right there. Okay, so anyways. So here are the instructions. In case you didn't get them. Yeah, so, yeah, these are just the instructions in case you didn't get them. So, yeah, anyways. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this. Oh, okay. So, go ahead and open up your second package. Okay. This package doesn't want to be nice to me today. Okay, so anyways, go ahead and open up your second package. Okay. So now there will be a brown piece. What the heck was that? Okay, so anyways, there's going to be a brown piece like this. Okay. And then a blue piece that looks exactly the same as that. And then you're going to go ahead and grab this black piece right here. And you're going to put it on like this. Take it, put it on just like that. Take it, put it on just like that. So now it doesn't matter in what order you just put that on, because either way you can just twist this thing around. But this side is the build problem right here, okay? If you put it on the wrong side. So now you're going to take one of his like jaw grabbers. That probably sounded so stupid. Okay, anyways, you're going to go ahead and grab your white piece that comes along with it. Right there. You're going to stick it in there. Just like that. So you're going to stick it in there just like that so it can look like that. Just like that. So now you're going to grab an eye piece, which looks like that. So then you're going to put it on, looking like this. So this is going to be the left side of his mouth. Well, of his head. So anyways. So now for step number 3, you're going to do that same exact thing. Put it in just the opposite side this time, just like that. Now the eye, once again. Give me a second. I messed up myself. Holy cow. There we go. I'm gonna put it on, just like. This thing is being so mean today. Jeez. So anyways, just like that. So now it will look like that. So yeah. So now that you have it looking like that, you're going to go ahead and grab this piece that you made just a little bit ago. Brown piece is going to go forward like this. I'm going to attach it on, just like so. Oh, out of my hands it went. Okay, so nice. I'm going to attach this brown piece on it. Okay, so you're going to attach where the eyeball is to the brown piece right here. These things are actually pretty hard to put together for some reason. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now you put it on just like that. These things are being a real pain today. Now you're going to go ahead and do that with this side. Okay, okay, so now you're going to put it on just like that. Brown side. With this going to be a big old bother. Okay, so now you're going to take off the eye. Because well, you're not going to. I just put it on wrong. So, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that for now. I'll go ahead and fix it at the end. So, now that you've done that, now you're going to start putting on the body. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and grab it like this. There's going to be a piece that looks like this. You're going to put it on just right back here. See, just like that. Okay, so now you're going to flip it over just like, oh, okay, so now you're going to flip it over just like that. Stick it on just like that. So now you have the bottom. Oh. Stick it on like that. Right there, sorry about that, guys. So now it's going to look like this. Okay, so now that's the head. Oh, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so now you should be caught up with me. Okay, so now that you have done that, you're going to go ahead and take this brown piece, put it on just like that. Okay. And now you're going to take this white piece and stick it on back here. Just like that. Wait, no, I'm sorry guys, I skipped a stage. So now you're going to go ahead and grab these right here. This piece right here. Stick these on just like this. And yeah, so then you're going to go ahead and okay, so I put this on way too far. Okay. So now you're going to put it on just like that. Put it down just like that. Put that piece on right there. So now I got you guys caught up. Sorry about that. Okay, so anyways. Now you're going to take these two pieces right here. Wait a second, guys. Okay, so anyways. Piece fell off, sorry. Okay, so anyways. There's going to now be... So now you're going to take a brown or gray piece like this. And one of these pieces like that. And put it on just like that. And put this on just like that. And put it on just like that. So now it just looks like that. So now you're going to do that again over here with these. Wait, sorry guys, I messed up again. Jeez, I'm messing up all over today. Okay, so anyways. Okay, so now you're going to put this down like that. And put this down like that. So now they look like that. Okay, so now you're gonna put these on just on the side, just like that. Just like his little arms, just like right there. And same thing for over here. Place it down just like that. Okay. Grubbin, just like that. Okay. So now, next is that you're going to go ahead and grab these two pieces right here. Stick this on. Just like that. Okay. You're going to take this piece right here. Put it on just... Okay guys, now you're going to go ahead and put that on just like that. So, now you have your own little, like, grubbin guy right there almost. So, now, put the eyes on backwards. This thing, for some reason, is being very fragile. So, anyways, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So, go ahead and fix the eyes. So, and then after that, just pretty much, yeah, you're good after that. Just pretty much, these are his little legs. So, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I know I messed up a lot in this one. So, it's pretty much, after this, you're just going to pretty much just go ahead and put the Pokeball together just like that. Like that. And stick a little grubbin on top of it just like that. So there you go. So, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. So, yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. And see you guys all later. And have a good day.